Good morning everyone. Today we have Mouktik Gusain with us and he is going to do mental multiplications. Start Mouktik. 53 multiplied by 4. 96 multiplied by 5. 31 multiplied by 7. 66 multiplied by 8. 72 multiplied by 9. 96 multiplied by 7. 88 multiplied by 4. 31 multiplied by 9. 47 multiplied by 8. 'Yes, 3 digit by 1 digit. 153 multiplied by 4. 955 multiplied by 6. 453 multiplied by 4. 'Yes, 512 multiplied by 9. 744 multiplied by 6. 315 multiplied by 8. 964 multiplied by 3. 553 multiplied by 4. Yes, very good. Well done, Mouktik.